Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can control a stepper motor using an ESP32S3 or an Arduino or any other microcontroller of your choice. Also, this method works for every stepper motor. That's amazing. First, I want you to grab these components. First up, grab your stepper motor. This is the one I have, and this is what a simple NEMA 24 looks like. Grab your microcontroller, grab some jumper wires and a battery, and grab this motor controller. Now there are many motor controllers out there, but this is the one I have and this is the one I'm going to use. So you can see these pins on the board and these connections on the motor controller. You can insert the wire here in motor controller and put it in the corresponding pin on the microcontroller board. Once again, you can follow this wiring scheme. Now your motor will have 4 wires, something like this. And these wires need to go in A plus A minus and B plus B minus. For your motor, if you don't know which wires are A coils or B coils, grab the 4 wires from your motor, check for continuity. If the wires are short, they are a single coil, meaning they are either A or B coil. When you find a single coil that is short, attach them both together in either A or B. That's how you attach these coils. Changing them will just turn the direction of the motor rotation. After that, you need to provide 20 volts to this motor controller. Here you can see it's rated for 9 to 42 volts DC, so we're gonna be using 20 volts to power this up. I'll use this 20 volt battery to power this up, but you can also use a power supply if you have one. The positive connection from the battery goes here and the ground connection goes here. That's it for the hardware. Now connect your microcontroller to the PC. Open up Visual Studio Code or Arduino IDE, both work just fine. Paste the code from the description over here. I'm gonna be using Visual Studio Code with Platform IO. Start a new project, select your appropriate board. For example, if you're using Arduino Uno, this is the board you're gonna wanna select. And in my case, I am using ESP32S3, so this is the board I am gonna be selecting. Copy the code from the description of this video and paste it over here. Click this button to upload the code to the ESP32, or if you're using Arduino IDE, it would be this button. And there you have it, your motor is now rotating. Let's go see. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions. There's also a hype button below this video. I don't know what it does, but click that button to hype this video up, I guess. Also, let me know if you need clarity on any steps or if you want a in-depth video explaining everything. That's gonna be it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.